Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you deactivate or how can you temporarily deactivate your messenger from Facebook on your account. So for this, I will let you know that you cannot delete only your messenger. You just have to deactivate your Facebook account for a temporary period of time. Then only you can deactivate your messenger here. So let it be clear that you cannot deactivate only your messenger. You just have to deactivate your Facebook account also. So for deactivating your Facebook account, you just have to go on like your profile on Facebook like this and click on the three dots on right top corner of the screen. Go to the setting option here, click OK, and in second option we will go to the down. There is lot of setting. You just have to search for account center and delete my account, deactivate my account from here. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and best video with all of you.